Hello, Pisces people. From May 16th to 31st, 2025, the stars are guiding you toward personal growth, relationships, and self-discovery. Let's explore how you can navigate this transformative energy. This period highlights your individuality and inner world. Neptune, your ruling planet, encourages you to dream big while staying grounded in reality. Reflect on your goals and values. This is a powerful time to redefine who you are and what you want. Around May 18th to 20th, Mercury aligns with Jupiter, sparking clarity and opportunities in partnerships or collaborations. Trust your intuition when making decisions. It will guide you toward growth. Mid-month brings energy to strengthen your closest bonds. Show appreciation for loved ones through heartfelt communication. If single, romance may blossom through shared creativity or deep emotional connection. Couples should focus on mutual understanding and keeping the spark alive. As May 25th approaches, Mars energizes your zone of shared resources and transformation. Address financial matters or embrace changes that empower you. This is also a time to release old habits holding you back. Between May 27th and 31st, Saturn squares Uranus, challenging stability versus change. Stay adaptable but rooted in your truth. Your resilience will help you find balance during uncertain moments. Remember, Pisces, your sensitivity and imagination are your greatest gifts. Use them to connect deeply with yourself and others, but don't forget to set boundaries when needed. Trust the flow of life. You're exactly where you need to be. The universe supports your journey toward healing and renewal. Believe in yourself. You've got this, Pisces.